Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here in Mississippi with my cousin Brooks, and we're actually about to paint my GAMO gun. So he painted his. Here's a picture of it. Yeah, it's like camo. It looks really good. It's actually a little surprise, but it's fine. And so yeah, here it is.
Right now we're taping up the parts we don't want to get pointed.
We don't want to get what?
Pointed.
Okay.
Whatever you want to call it.
Okay, so we're gonna be painting it a camo. Let me see what kinds of paint we got. We got some kind of Satan paint or something. Right, just camo-ish colors, but yeah. Okay, so we're just painting the stock, and then we're not painting this little rubber thing. And this gun's gonna be my trap line gun, so I might end up putting a scope on it. But for a trap line, I don't know. What do you think? Do you think I should?
It depends.
I might just put a cheap scope on it,
No,
but
put a red dot on it or something. I don't know.
a red, oh, that'd be cool. Expensive though. But Brooks is starting to spray paint. Brooks, do you know what color you're using right now?
No.
All right, hey,
satin.
make sure you don't get it at the end here. Satan?
Satin.
Oh. Okay. Here's the gun. It's still drying. We still have a lot to do with it, but it's drying, and so we can't really do that much. So I think we're gonna hang it up and just let it sit tonight, and then finish it tomorrow. Yeah. Oh, there you go. There you go.
What's tight? Oh my god. We did 3 times.
Oh, there you go.
I'll do 4 shots.
Perfect. Perfect.
Oh, you finally made one.
Here, turn it off real quick.
I'm trying to do yours like a wood pattern.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna smear yours. I'm gonna unless you want it smeared.
Keep it to where you can see the camo.
Well.
Okay, guys. So, we just finished it up. Let me show y'all. Alright, this is what the gun looks like now. We ended up deciding to smear the gun with all the paint, but it looks really good overall. It's got some dark green and black in there, and we just smeared it all together to get it that really camo look, and I think it looks great. Thanks for watching the video. See y'all in the next one.